Good morning, friends. I would like to discuss regarding my channel and the progress of my channel. I want to give a slight update. I'm absolutely upset at the moment because two of my videos on part one and part two, which was on fake gurus, that is Jaggi and Shivani. Yeah, it was when I had done this, I never thought it would go that viral, इतना popular बन जाएगा, इतना internationally वो spread हो जाएगा. But what is the thing is that मेरा वही एक content नहीं है. Part one, part two. These are not the only people. I am not a campaign manager for them. And I'm feeling very upset that YouTube is only doing that viral. मतलब वो ही show कर रहा है search filters में. What about my other content which I've worked very hard, which is very quality work on different topics and different subjects and different personalities. But viral हो गया है ये जग्गी का और ये शिवानी का. This is not done. This is not fair to me as a content creator because I have done amazing different kind of work, unique kind of concept which I've introduced. So it is not fair on me because YouTube is absolutely hazing my content. Not only that, वो मेरे subs को डिलीट कर रहा है. पिछले एक महीने में आई हैव लॉस्ट अराउंड मे बी 25 सब्सक्राइबर्स. नॉट ओनली दैट, वो मेरे लाइक्स को माइनस कर रहा है, डिलीट कर रहा है. वो मेरे रिप्लाईज को डिलीट कर रहा है. वो मेरे पॉजिटिव जो भी मुझे कमेंट्स मिल रहे हैं, पॉजिटिव मेरी तारीफ अगर हो रही है तो उसको वो डिलीट कर रहा है. फिर जो नेगेटिव है उसको स्पैम में नहीं डाल रहा है, जो पॉजिटिव है स्पैम में डाल के उसको डिलीट करेगा इमीडिएटली. और मेरे रिप्लाईज को भी इमीडिएटली डिलीट करता है. और जो नेगेटिव है, जो मुझे क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, उनको रखता है. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? So that means you're encouraging hatred. YouTube, you're encouraging negativism and toxic behavior in your viewers. When I have done such quality work, why is that not being reflected? Why is that not reflected in the search filters? Why? Why is only that content on Jaggi and Shivani is touching 35,000 and 11,000? Why? Respectively, when I have done other quality work. My question to YouTube is, why is this discrimination happening to me? अगर मैं गंदी घटिया सी कॉमेडी करती या फालतू से रेसिपीज बना के ये वीगन एंड ये LGBT क्राउड होती, या तुम लोग की मतलब ऑल द टाइम आई एम अब्यूजिंग, डूइंग गेमिंग and abusive content which these guys do, youngsters do, हाँ तभी तो y'all will be like giving me 1 million views and AdSense and all this kind of things. I'm not even monetized because you are minusing my subs. You're playing around with my view hours के साथ भी तुम mess around कर रहे हो. I'm really upset, people. It's not even touching 50. एंड कितना सारा रिसर्च जाता है इन चीजों में. इट्स नॉट ईजी. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम बैठ गए कैमरा के सामने और बोल दिया. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च विच इज हैपनिंग. YouTube, you cannot be doing this. If I was a lesbian or if I was an LGBT, that you should see people like Miss. I can tell you hundreds, thousands, lakhs of such examples. ऐसे छक्का बन के बैठ जाओ, कपड़े पहनो, मेकअप थोपो, ड्रैग वाला. एंड दीज काइंड ऑफ पीपल आर ऑल्सो मोनेटाइज्ड. somebody called मिस हसी, एक आदमी है जो औरत के कपड़े पहन के बैठता है. even he has crossed 1000 subscribers. and what is his content? Making commentary on another fat woman who's eating a lot of food. 50 तक नहीं पहुंचता है, let alone 100. This is just not done, YouTube. People, please. And the haters had made my life miserable last year. इतना ज़्यादा online hatred, harassment, torture. They think they can shut me up. जो सच है वो सच है. And let me tell you one thing, Jaggi and Shivani isn't the only quality content from my channel. No, I've got other things, better things, and I want other of my content also to be noticed, to be appreciated, to be going viral. Not if not viral, then maximum people should be seeing it. Just stop being a bitch, YouTube. And people, if your positive comments are not coming to me or they're deleted, understand this is the way they're shutting me down. They will never let me get monetized because they are just minusing my subs. And they are not letting me progress because वो मेरे आज के साथ भी manipulation करेंगे. It's sad, but it's true. Likes are just disappeared. Counts, if it is example 80, it will only reflect 40. If it is 100, it will only reflect 25. Why? My question is why? Why am I discriminated? Because I'm doing good work? एंड मैंने और एक चीज नोटिस की थी, ये जो यूट्यूब में दे आर पुटिंग इन एड्स टू सम ऑफ माई वीडियोज, बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनी बेनिफिट ऑफ इट. नॉट डन. एक का मैंने देखा था कि बाय मिस्टेक कहीं तो देखा था मैंने, एक पंजाबी गाने का कुछ तो उन लोग प्रमोशन कर रहे थे. सो स्ट्रेंज. Just not done, YouTube. You cannot be doing this. You're shutting me down because I am doing something different and unique. Anyway, people, that's all I wanted to say. But there are different other topics which please save karo. तुम लोग download करको save करो because these people are going to, they might just mess around with my. रोज इसको hack करने के लिए लोग spam messages भेजते हैं with porn links. Every single video I upload, there is a spam message, bot message with a porn link. Can you imagine that? इतना सता रहे हैं मुझे ये. Not done. So people, please understand what I'm going through at the moment. And it's very upsetting. It's disturbing. And haters, I don't care a fuck for you, really. The truth is truth. Truth will be spoken whether you like it or not. If you're so upset and triggered, then get lost. Don't watch my content. No one has invited you to come here and watch my channel. It is for people who appreciate the content, the mature content, who understand things, who has an opinion which can be expressed. It is about them. Not about you haters, childish toddlers who come and post anything rubbish and expect me to appreciate it. Why should I acknowledge your nonsense trash on my channel? It is my channel. Maybe YouTube is paying you haters to come and post such messages. Maybe Jaggi and Shivani is paying them. Heaven knows. Otherwise it's not possible कि इतना सारा पूरा दिन इस तरह के messages आए. But now it is a little controlled, but not done. YouTube, please, it's you have to show up my content on search filters, different types, not just this. Thank you so much.